Hello there, everybody, and welcome. We're watching flights ones. Hey, that's all we need to know.
What you thinking? 11s, 1s and 2s, or 13s?
I'm down. I'm down for 11s.
Let's do it. 1, 2,
Rematch.
7. Shoot the ball. Bet. Good.
I'm ready.
That's all.
Damn. Damn, he already losing the ball? That's damn. Damn.
Woo! Intimidation bad.
What flight gonna do? Oh. Flight got any better? I don't know. Damn, probably not.
Let's go, Bucket Squad! Woo!
What are you gonna do? Ooh. He made that? Damn, he said easy. Well, no, they going to 11 or 10? Ah, they ain't listen. You gonna pull that? Ooh. Does he make that?
Go!
Damn.
Ready.
Damn, flight. Flight, do something, flight. Flight, please do something, flight. Flight, play defense, flight. Ooh. Damn, flight, get the rebound, flight. Ooh. Damn, flight, come on, man.
Okay.
Damn, flight, come on. You gotta stop him. Oh, no. Get that rebound. Damn.
Signature move!
Turn up game sliders.
Game sliders, my guy. Flight, get him, flight. Oh no. Ooh, nice rebound, flight. Just make that flight. Don't shoot. Okay then. Damn. Ooh. Flight, stop him. He trying to dunk that. Damn, flight. Half fault. 7-0. That's 7 skunk.
I haven't seen Jester like not miss like that. Like,
Yeah,
he's
been in the
his
lab,
game,
bro.
but what is this?
He plays against professionals every video. I think that's kind of why.
Really?
Okay.
You didn't watch film before you played him?
No, not Jesus. I just got to assume
Dude,
he had
you've
seen.
got to watch film.
I mean, I thought he had.
If you don't prepare, you prepare to fail. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But hey, listen, just don't fall for the fakes. Stay on your feet. Don't jump. Just put a hand up.
All right, bet.
Flight, get him. Flight, get him. Ooh. His handle's wobbly. You could steal that, flight. Oh. Oh, flight. What you jumping there, flight? Oh, he missed. Get the rebound, flight. Oh. Okay then.
Come on, flight.
Ooh, flight. What you gonna do? Flight. What you gonna do? Take that. How the fuck he just replayed that like he scored? Nigga, what? Bro, what the fuck, bro? Okay, then. You gonna score this? Ooh, come on, flight. Put some more power into that. Do you even look at the board when you shoot? On the basket when you shoot? Ooh. Flight, step forward, bro. It's 9-0. It's not looking so good for you right now.
How much?
9-9.
Flight, come on. You gotta stop him. Okay, flight, hurry, flight, hurry.
Yes.
Oh no, flight. Oh. Okay. Damn. And one. And one.
Wait, we go. Yeah, we say 11.
I had 15, 13.
Was it 10?
I heard it's
10.
I didn't hear 11.
Yeah. There was a UFO like I think a couple days ago. They had like a sonic boom. I think.
Nah, flight.
I heard 13 earlier.
Those damn UFOs.
Come on, flight, get him. Damn, flight, come on, man. You can't go out like this. You gotta score once at least.
10,
You can't get skunked.
11.
I mean, you got 7 those skunked already, but you can't lose any more. Look, he dribbling on you. He doing his. Damn, flight, get that. Score that drive, flight. Ooh, he shot again. Damn, his jump shot fast. What you gonna do with that, flight? Damn, put that up. Yes, sir, flight. Yeah. I like that he does replays for his own baskets on the.
Go. That's one.
Oh yeah, he feeling himself. Ooh, that shot not feeling him though. I don't know if that made any sense, honestly. What you gonna do with it? Oh, Flight, put a hand up. Flight. Ooh, okay. Flight, you gonna drive that? You gonna drive that? Ooh. Damn. Flight looking like my 2K character at 65 playing in the NBA. You start off at 65 or 60? I don't remember. Either way, nice Flight. What you gonna do? Make that. Ooh. Damn. Damn, that's our Flight. That's tough.
Jester, come on. So we're here. Oh no, stay off the shirt.
Oh no, it's time for Flight to activate.
Radiation has gone up.
I don't know, bro. He has two modes. One is shut on, other shut off. Now he's serious. Ooh. Okay. You gonna make this? Yes, he is. Damn, Fly, I believe in you. Damn, block. That's crazy.
Hey.
Hey, yo, bro. Yo. Hey, bro. Look. I do not care. You made that Flight? Oh, come on, Flight. You gotta be confident in the shot, bro. You just chucking it up, Flight. Ooh, don't get pushed. Damn, Flight, come on, man. 12-2, Flight. You gotta get more than 2. You gotta at least get 5, bro. Ooh, come on, Flight. Come on, Flight. Put your hand up high. Ace head game? It's 13-2.
You're never gonna be able to defend great offense. So, what you thinking? Game of 13 ones and twos?
Ones and twos, yeah. Get your own rebound.
Yes, yeah. Hell
okay,
yeah.
cool.
The halftime 7, cool.
Let's do it.
Let's get it. Let's go, baby.
Game 13. Flight, make that? Ooh. Flight, dress like you gonna actually do something. So I'm expecting you to do something, Flight. Ooh, damn. Oh, I thought he made that. Come on, Flight, don't rush. Don't rush. Take your time. Look at the basket. Don't just chuck up shots, Flight. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. You got it, Flight. I believe in you. The slow motion. You make that? Damn, you didn't make it. Why'd you slow it down? You know what I feel like? I feel like Fight just be high and probably editing his videos like randomly. He's like, ooh, I want to add a slow motion here. I want to add a replay here. I didn't even do it. I didn't even score, but let's add a replay there. Let's add a little rewind right there. Ooh. Flight, you make that? Damn. Backboard. Sideboard. I mean. Ooh. Damn. He said I don't need ward. Ooh. You lucky he missing, Flight, because you taking a bunch of wide open shots. You giving him too many open shots, Flight. Look, and then when it's your turn, he playing defense. Step up, Flight. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. Damn. 3-0. Come on, Flight. You better get serious. He gonna cook you. Just from looking at how he dribbles, he looks like he's about to do something. Ooh. Damn, I told you, Flight. Come on, Flight, don't let him dribble. Just get extremely close. I mean, he's probably faster than bro. Huh? Ooh. Damn, bro, Flight, he just playing around now. Bro, just playing around now. That's crazy. Bro, not even trying anymore.
Get in there!
Ooh, nothing but net. That shit sounded wet. Pause. What did be a pause? You know what? Don't even matter. Damn, he stepped back. He said I could take this logo. Ooh. Flight, look up at the basket before you shoot. Flight, I swear to God, if you do not look up at the basket. I mean, he looked up at the basket. Okay. Damn, Flight, come on, Flight. Ooh. See, he's just shifty. You like Flight can't do anything, bro. It's shifting. Bro got it. Bro is just dancing. Ooh. Bro is just dancing. Bro is trying to do whatever he wants. Make that. Damn, Flight. Come on, make a basket, Flight. You can't go out like this. Damn, Flight. 11-0. That's worse than Chester. I don't know why I muted myself when there was a yawn and not a cough. Ooh, Flight, damn. Damn, he's even doing the side behind the back. Damn, bro. 12-0. You're not even gonna get a basket, Flight? You know, for all the basketball videos Flight be doing, you would think he would get a trainer by now. Somebody who would train him might actually be good so that he doesn't get cooked every video. But hey, that's neither here nor there. Like, maybe he's really busy, but damn. 14-0.
Man.
Damn.
Look, man. I knew he was a real deal, man. Looked at hella footage way before. But fuck. You the first and only person to give me a win, scoreless.
Oh, wow.
1v1 this whole June, bro.
Hey, shout out to Flight, man.
Nah, you catch that this whole June. So only in June has he. You catch that? I caught that.
Love for bringing me out here, man.
Yeah, man.
Go like, subscribe to him. You know the deal.
Flight, man, Flight. You can't be doing these videos and getting cooked every day. You can't be getting cooked. Nice effort. Keyword effort. He definitely got cooked. Bro, that's tough. Cash is going to have a field day watching this video. Damn, Flight. I'm in for yo. I don't know what that says. White Iverson is really good though. Yeah, but Flight just got to score once, bro. He literally said the same thing. Don't translate. Okay, I won't. Like, subscribe. See you guys later. Hope you have a good day or night, and bye.